Just right-click anywhere on the screen, and in the menu click last option, it will have icon of copier with brush on it. You should see something like this when you're here again. Click option with a copy to screen with brush on it. Now click option with cursor. It shall automatically send you to part where you can switch your cursors.
Here you can switch cursors and save it as like a set or asset. Change speed and sensitivity and add trail. Sadly, the trail is only ghost version of your cursor yet. To found something that would add a fun trail to a cursor.
You can change many of them from pointer and link cursor to resizing cursors and loading cursors. Though resizing cursor may in some places be still the same. It depends, but like for system-related things should work. I guess some things are programmed in resizing cursor. Maybe by accident, maybe not IQ, but basically you can have a whole custom set.
Now, I'm gonna show you websites I'd like to get cursors from.
You can look it up like this, or sense, along those lines.
This website have tons of cute cursors made by people. You can also get icons from there or download their program to make cursors, where you can also make animated cursors. This one is kinda a classic. It has lots of old cursors from program that turn out to be, if I remember correctly, a virus though. There's also cursors related to 2020. I bet they still give cursors IDK. But mostly I go there for old animated cursors because some are really adorable, so I don't really pay attention to front page.
Now I'm gonna show you another website where you can make cursor or import image to turn it into cursor. There's lots of like trendy or memes and stuff. I'm assuming it's popular BC of that fact. I rarely go there cause there's no animated cursors.
Now I'm gonna show you path to your folder that has cursors. It's best to keep them all there cause it's gonna be easy to switch cursors.
The path is this computer, C, Windows, cursors.
Now you can see all cursors you got here. To move cursors to this folder, you have to hold the cursor file from anywhere you have the file and drag it to the folder. And when there's a white window showing up asking if you want to move it to that place, just click yes.
Now go back to your settings and just change your cursor. That's basically all.
Also, when you already made some set of cursors but won't change them, I recommend you before any change just first save the set you made, then again click save thingy so you haven't changed one in thingy where you can change your cursors. I mean, you don't have to do it unless you would like to go back to sets you made and change your cursor a lot.
This is basically how you do it. Nothing that's special. Once just basically use context clues or just read names and stuff when you do it. It's really that simple.
Also, if you forget path you can always do whatever you see me do right now. It will show you path you can use this trick with most folder thingies.